Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I'm here with one of our two project cars, the 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 Touring. And we are headed back to Bandimere Speedway. We're going to put this car on the quarter-mile track and see how fast it is now that we've upgraded our wheels. If you're new to the channel, in a recent video, we've swapped out our old OEM with all-season tires for a new package, a new combination that is slightly lighter weight. We opted to go with a high performance, summer only sticky rubber. So we're using Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. We've also increased the width of the tire to help aid in traction. We went from a 235 to a 265. And I also upgraded the wheels themselves to a lighter weight wheel. So I'm hoping that the combination will allow us to have better traction and in turn have better quarter mile times. We also tested the car 0 to 60, and that did result in maybe about 0.2, 0.3 tenths of a second quicker. So I'm hoping that that translates to the quarter mile as well. So if you're interested in finding out if this lighter weight wheel combination, if these new wider, stickier tires will help improve our quarter mile traction, or you're just interested in seeing some quarter mile drag runs, then stay tuned. Okay, we're here at Bandimere Speedway. Before I start, for those of you new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let me go through a little bit of what we have on the car. So we do have a K-tuner with a Phearable Stage 3 tune running the 91 octane. I also have the PRL version 1 high volume air intake. I have the PRL high volume catted downpipe, and I have a Mishimoto front mount intercooler. It's a nice day here. The DA is roughly 7,600. So for those of you new, again, at Bandimere, we're at high altitude. We're at about 5,800, 6,000 feet above sea level. So huge impact on what our numbers are gonna be. So we're really gonna focus on the improvement compared to our last time here at Bandimere. So let's jump in the car and let's get in line and let's do our first pass. Oh, so close. Was hoping to break 14. Here's what I got. 14.06 at 96. That was probably the closest run I've ever done in any car. We were neck and neck down the track the entire way. I had no idea who won, and I don't think he did either. So he went around and got his time slip first before me. He was giving me some thumbs up once he got the time slip, but it was that close. Control on the first run only went up to 0.57-ish, and on this run it's at 0.69. Let's see what we got here for a time though. Thank you. Ooh, yes. So I gotta say, at first I was a little nervous that it wasn't a good run because of the car next to me. God, he barreled down at 11.48. And this run, the second run, I did break into the 13, so I'm at 13.965 at 98 miles per hour. Now in the second race, yes, I got the best time. We finally broke into the 13s. Quickest time I've had to date, but I got crushed. K count jumped. I'm now at 0.76. Did a 14.00 at 99.46. So my speed is increasing. So we did 3 clean runs. I'm really happy with the results. The line is super long, so I'm going to cut today short. But we did improve on our quarter mile times. We did improve our mile per hour. I'm really happy with it. I don't know if the improvement is the result of the tires or the cooler weather that we're experiencing. Either way, we had a good time. Now, before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. The next time we are going to add Flex Fuel to our Honda Accord. We're going to dyno to see how much horsepower the Flex Fuel adds, and we're going to bring it back here at Bandimere Speedway and we're going to test to see how much quicker our 2009